A comet the size of a mountain is falling toward Earth. Somewhere below, a dinosaur is just looking up. It has no idea this is the last afternoon of its entire world. But what if that comet missed? By 1 degree, no impact, no fireball wider than a continent, no years of ash blocking the sun. The sky stays blue. The forests stay green. Nothing resets to zero. 66 million years keep going, uninterrupted, and that changes everything that comes after, including us. In our timeline, the extinction was a reset button. It emptied the planet so mammals could take over. In this one, nobody hits reset. The food chain stays exactly where it was. Dinosaurs still own the top of it. Every big, smart, dangerous niche is already taken. So the small, furry things stay small, nocturnal, underground, hiding the way they'd hidden for 100 million years already. 10 million years pass, same story. 30 million years pass, same story. 60 million years pass. Dinosaurs are still here. Mammals are still hiding, but somewhere in all that time, something starts to shift, and it has nothing to do with size. Some dinosaur lines start doing something strange. They shrink. Smaller bodies, bigger brains, relative to size. It already happened once in our timeline. It's how we got birds. Ice ages come. Ice ages go. The ones with thick, insulating feathers survive them. The ones without don't. Generation after generation, the survivors get a little smarter, a little more social. Pack hunting gets more coordinated. Coordination means communication. Communication means signals. Signals get complicated. And in a river valley, one lineage of small, feathered raptors starts doing something nobody expected. They pick up a stick and use it, then a sharpened stone, then another. Tool use by itself isn't rare in nature. Otters do it. Crows do it. What happens next is the rare part. A juvenile watches an adult sharpen a stone and copies it. Badly at first, that's not instinct. That's teaching. The moment a skill outlives the individual who invented it, everything speeds up. Calls turn into something closer to words. Not language like ours, but not just noise either. Some packs learn to tend embers from wildfires instead of letting them die out. Fire that doesn't go out means nights that aren't just for hiding. It means a place worth coming back to. Nesting grounds start looking less like nests and more like camps. And thousands of miles away, mammals are still underground, still doing exactly what they did 60 million years ago. Nothing. Here's the uncomfortable part. In our world, we assume intelligence was heading toward us eventually, like it was owed to us. But intelligence doesn't check who's a mammal before it shows up. It just needs enough time, enough pressure, and an empty niche. And in this timeline, that niche isn't empty. The raptors already filled it, 60 million years before any primate got the chance. So the clever, curious, tool-using animal that eventually runs this planet never wears skin. It wears scales and feathers and cold reptile eyes. We didn't get this world because we were inevitable. We got it because a niche happened to be sitting empty when we showed up. So what does a raptor civilization even look like? Not like ours. There's no reason it should be. It's not built by farmers. It's built by predators. Structures made of packed mud, bone, and woven branch. Built low, built defensible. Not cities climbing upward. Territories marked and guarded. Trade happens between packs who have learned that raiding costs more than trading. Someone starts scratching marks into stone. Not to tell a story yet, just to mark a border, a warning. That's how writing starts here too. Not with poetry, with a threat. A civilization built by something that was born to hunt, not to farm. Alien logic, familiar outcome. Zoom all the way out. Intelligence was never a mammal invention. It was never a human destiny either. It's just what tends to happen, given enough time and enough pressure, on any kind of animal that survives long enough to need it. We don't exist because we were the point of all this. We exist because a rock, 66 million years ago, happened to miss by nothing at all. Somewhere in another version of this planet, something is telling this exact same story. It just isn't us.